Okay, guys. I thought I'd show you the little pond at the hotel here. I'm sure most people who stay at this hotel don't ever even know it's here. It's kind of hiding in the corner. Behind me is a swimming pool. It's a little waterfall. It's really nice. The water's a little murky, but it was really clean not long ago. Lots of koi fish. Some goldfish, some big old goldfish. Catfish. Only a couple carp I've seen. I'm on the level above here. There's some fish. Got some people feeding them over here. They're really nice. Really like the waterfall. Check out the big catfish. Hard to see. There he is, there he is, there he is. The big carp there too. Feeding them bread, making these toys go nuts. Beautiful fish, huh? Look at that. So colorful. And there's the source of the noise. This one over here is only about 1.5 feet, I think, for the little kids. And this one's probably only 3 or 4 feet deep.